Hi everyone, I'm a BigSeller trainer. Today I'm going to share with you about the inventory management. How do you synchronize your real-time inventory across marketplaces and for all your online stores? There are 4 steps of inventory management. So we call it to push inventory. Step 1 is to create merchant SKU. Step 2 to map with the store SKU. Step 3 to create push rules. Step 4 to enable inventory features. So let me show you this. Step 1 to create merchant SKU. First we need to log into BigSeller, go to product, and we take Shopee as example, go to active. And we choose the product, click map merchant SKU, and generate merchant SKU, generate selected. So it shows successfully. Click confirm and next. Check it through, and you may input the cost here or you can input later. So for the first time of generating merchant SKU, system will auto stock in for you for existing stock, or you can edit here. You can edit the quantity here. Let's say we choose 100. So we can bulk edit on draft, set the stock alert, weight, size, or you can remain the same. Choose the correct warehouse, the actual warehouse where you store the product and fulfill the orders. Click generate. So successful. Close. As if you are selling this product in different marketplaces like Lazada and TikTok, you got to do it the same steps, repeat it. In Lazada active, choose the product, map merchant SKU, generate selected, and do it for TikTok shop as well. Choose the product, map merchant SKU, generate selected. So step 2 to create mappings with the store SKU. Go to BigSeller, inventory, SKU mapping, sync the products, and choose the product. Click auto mapping, or you may choose all the product, click optional and click auto mapping. Do it for Shopee and repeat the step for Lazada and TikTok. Sync product, select the product, click auto mapping. And step 3 to create push rules, we need to go to inventory, push inventory, under push rules. So we click add push rules. Push rules is basically we need to create the rules for the system to synchronize the inventory for us. Let's say for so now we need to tell the system select store, which store do we want to push inventory, want to synchronize the real-time inventory. So may select all store or some store. In this case we select all store, select merchant SKU, select merchant SKU. You may select the merchant SKU, select all merchant SKU under current filter. So the maximum for one push rule we can support is up to 5,000 of merchant SKU. If you have more than 5,000, you can create more than one push rule. Click confirm and select the supply warehouse where you store the product and where you fulfill the orders. Push quantity, total available inventory of SKU in the warehouse. So remain 100% plus 0 and about to be sold out. You can either not process or you may convert to sold out when available stock is lower than certain quantity. System will push stock to 0 for those selected stock. Over here is all stock. And for accept stock, so system will push when the stock is lower than 30, you'll push to 0 for all stock except this stock. And when available stock for this stock is lower than certain quantity, system will push stock to 0. So we click save. Only save, not push at the moment, or save and push immediately. So for this demo, we do not push. And once let me search the rules. Once you have step 4, to enable inventory features, we go to setting. We go to setting, inventory setting. Here, enable the inventory features. Enable, and you will see two options. Allocate stock after placing order, except Tokopedia, Lazada choice. This option is preferred for to avoid overselling. It will allocate stock once buyer added to cart but didn't make payment yet. So this option 2, allocate stock after paying orders, allocate stock after placing for CODs orders. So for this option, system will allocate stock after customer make payment. How to check? We can check in inventory warehouse, inventory list. So we choose the warehouse, or you can check for all warehouse. So you see on hand, allocated, available, and promo reserve. So once we receive orders, we will see it in allocated. On hand is the actual quantity in the warehouse. Available is the stock in marketplace. So on hand minus of allocated minus of promo reserve equal to available. After we have enabled inventory features, please make sure you process orders in BigSeller. So there are a few methods for us to do stock in, to do stock change. Like for manual stock in, we can add stock in list here. Scan the SKU or GTIN code. If you don't have it, you can use the manual method to select merchant SKU. So select the merchant SKU, confirm, and stock in. You may input the unit price here, or you can do it later. Submit. So it will do stock in. And how do we check? We can check in stock movement. Stock movement here, it will show which account, what time, and what is the type of stock movement. For this case, we do stock in manual. So same goes to manual stock out, and Another method is in inventory list. The shortcut we can do it here, available. We can click, we can choose add or reduce. Add is equal to manual stock in, reduce is manual stock out. So let's do it and check again in stock movement plus 100 equal to stock in by manual. So another method that we can do is by stock count. Stock count is usually carried out during the stock check. So you can choose the warehouse. Count type is by merchant SKU, by shelf, or by warehouse. So by warehouse, it will be the total merchant SKU. So let's choose by merchant SKU. Click confirm, generate task, and start counting. So we count, let's say 100 and 102. So it cause inventory loss and inventory gain sometimes. So after we finish counting, the actual inventory will be synchronized according to the push rules, and we may check in push record here, so it will push to relevant store. Okay, let's repeat the 4 steps to push inventory. Step 1, to create merchant SKU. Step 2, to map with the store SKU. Step 3, to create push rules. And step 4, to enable inventory features. Thank you. Have a nice day.